battery in the
Rush hour. I-405. California.
August 25th, 2020, during the coronavirus. This is probably going faster. Look, there's the California Highway Patrol. What kind of car was that, honey? It looked like a Toyota Tacoma or something. Or not a Tacoma, Toyota Camry. Because they don't make Ford Crown Victorias anymore. .405 South,
San Diego.
That's the Long Beach. You were on the Long Beach Freeway,
I want to
honey.
see San Diego.
San Diego is way away. San Diego is about 3 hours away.
Oh yeah.
But it's a famous city. But it's weird we're going on the San Diego Freeway. Actually, this is the 405. 405 will turn into the 05, which goes 05 south or north. But you go south, 05 south, then you'll go to San Diego.
There's a grandma driving. She looks 70 years old. Filipino.
Oh no, she's driving in this shit.
Yeah, Filipino lady. Maybe she's been here for a decade and now she's 70.
Probably had a hyperactive husband that was a painting in the ass. But he probably had to put up with her.
You're a hyperwolf.
Hyperwolf is probably something like a Walmart. We're actually almost going the speed limit.
Orange Avenue.
Bad.
Wait a minute. A Long Beach half mile.
Long Beach Boulevard. Could have went there. That's where Fred used to go come from work. We don't want to go there during rush hour. Orange Avenue, Cherry Avenue, Orange Avenue. That's where I lived when we played Orange. You know what I mean? They were Orangeview. That's Orangeview. Junior high school. Lakewood Boulevard, 2.5 miles. Oh, I almost ran into that guy there.
In 2 miles, take exit 27 toward California 19 North Long Beach Airport.
Oh my God. Signal Hill, we could have went there. We used to go up there and you could see all of LA from Signal Hill. Cherry Avenue, hope everyone's supposed to get off. Okay, 1.4, get off at exit 27, I believe. North 19. North 19. Lakewood Boulevard. That's it. Gotta be there.
Keep left at the fork.
Take exit 27.
Keep left at the fork.
Hope this is right. Doesn't make any sense, but
Keep right at the fork.
oh my God, look how jammed up it got, eh?
Keep right at the fork.
Is this the fork? You're going insane.
Merge onto East Willow Street, then use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto California 19 North. Then use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto California 19 North. Use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto California 19 North Lakewood Boulevard.
Lakewood Boulevard. You know we got to be close. Lakewood Boulevard. Let's see. How much is
Continue on
gas?
California 19 North for 3 miles. Continue on California 19 North for 3 miles.
Continue on California 19 North. How many? For 3 miles. Okay, better than. Okay, honey, get ready. Here's the big excitement of your lifetime.
Oh my God, that car truck. Oh, that,
Get ready.
is it a truck?
Told you there'd be a gift before this thing was over. I remember when we go in the tunnels like that. That might be the tunnel. I didn't know where I was, but we honk, honk, you know, and whoever, mom or dad, was in the car, and then they would honk. Okay, Spring Street.
Old Beach Airport. The other car.
I didn't know we lived
Start
that close
freaking
to
out.
Long Beach. We lived that close to Long Beach. We should have just stayed in Lakewood.
Wow, we
Cow.
gotta move here. We need to move here. Lakewood. Oh, we're moving. Lakewood.
Fredler worked at the Navy terminal, Long Beach terminal. So Long Beach is bigger. We're somewhere around it.
Good to have an air freshener here.
Why'd you cut a fart?
If you fart, at least it's mixed with air freshener. With
Right.
fresh air. Try not to roll the window down, or else your car will gotta get dirty. Where are we? Let's see. Hardwick. 2 miles from here. Oh no. We're having fun here.
Yeah, that's the airport. We were probably this close to the airport. I never even
Oh.
realized it.
I remember I have a tripod here. Where's the tripod? I prepared a tripod, that small tripod. I'm tired of holding this camera. Hold on.
What are you going to do? Try to hold it all the way till
I'll
when we
stick
get
the
to
top
Lakewood Center? Shimatsu. What the heck is that?
Where's the,
Probably
I know
should
I
get
have a
stocks
tripod.
in that. You don't even know what it is.
What is this? Too much of a glass.
See, all the things with the Asian names get popular now.
I've been seeing the tripod the other day.
There's Mercedes port that probably have Some kind of jet plane. Jetting.
Tripod. I can't remember. What happened here? Assuming
Douglas Center. Navy Federal was back there. This might be a sign.